Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious sweet potato leaf salad. First, let's gather our main ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh sweet potato leaves, which are packed with nutrients. Also, prepare 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, and 2 ripe tomatoes, diced. Don't forget 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts to add a wonderful texture to our salad. These simple ingredients form the base of our refreshing dish. Now, let's create the vibrant dressing that brings this salad to life. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, which provides a lovely tang. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce for that essential umami depth, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance all the flavors beautifully. Finally, mince 1 clove of garlic and 1 small chili to give your dressing a subtle, exciting kick. This combination makes a truly zesty and aromatic dressing. With our ingredients ready, let's assemble this delightful salad. First, blanch the sweet potato leaves for just 30 seconds in boiling water until they are tender. Immediately plunge them into ice water to preserve their vibrant color and stop the cooking process. Thoroughly drain the blanched leaves and chop them into manageable pieces. Then, gently combine all your prepared ingredients in a large mixing bowl, ready for the dressing. Finally, it's time to bring everything together and enjoy your creation. Pour the zesty dressing evenly over the mixed salad, ensuring every leaf and vegetable is coated. Garnish generously with the roasted peanuts, adding a fantastic crunch and nutty flavor. Serve this refreshing sweet potato leaf salad immediately to enjoy its vibrant taste and crisp texture. It makes a wonderful, healthy side dish for any meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.